Alright, so check it out. Michael Walter here from carpetexpertblueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a toilet so you can go ahead and install your flooring under it. So first things first, reach back to this valve and you want to turn it till it's all the way off. Alright, so no more water can get into the tank. Now we're going to flush it to get all the water out of the tank. Just hold the handle down to make sure every bit of that comes out. Alright, next, I'm going to pop that tab off. Got to loosen these bolts. So we got all those off. You got the exposed screw. We're going to come over to the other side. I'm going to get this one. That's it, so we got both of those bolts off. Now we're going to come back to this side. Get you a better shot there. And we need to get this off right here. And of course that one doesn't want to cooperate. We're going to get some tools in here. Almost there. Boom. A little bit of water is going to come out. That's okay. So next, everything should be loose and good to go. Just grab it by the sides here, lift up, set it on a garbage bag, and you are good to go. So, in the next video, I'll show you how to go ahead and reset the toilet. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.